Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying clip-ins for the very first time. I've pretty much been wanting to try this since I saw it on TikTok because I was like, this is like a really low maintenance, easy style that I can do because I know how to do like sew-ins and wigs and everything. So I was like, let's give it a try. So these ones that I have, I cannot remember the brand right now, but I will make sure I link it below for you guys. I did get these clip-ins from Amazon, and as you can see, they're 2 packs of 20-inch, and it came with these cute little lashes, and I was like, okay, this is cute, this is good. And it also came with some replaceable clip-ins, like if your clip-ins were to get damaged or something and you need to replace them, 2 in each pack. So right here you just see me opening up, and I'm kind of like, oh, it looks like it's not, that much hair. So I'm really glad that I got 2 because I obviously needed it. And right here, my friend is just helping me install these clip-ins because she's done clip-ins before and I have not. So I just had recently got my hair pressed because I am actually natural. I do not have a relaxer. So I was like, let me just add these clip-ins and see, how it's gonna look. So the method I used was just putting the clip-ins in between my hair, like without braiding it down, which I did see some people like to braid their real hair and then put the clip-in on that, which reminds me more of a sew-in. So that might be a good option too. But right here, we're just testing it out to see, how it's gonna look. So of course, when I told my friend, I was like, yeah, girl, I'm gonna do this for YouTube, like, just be natural. She was like, YouTube, what? But of course, she still did it for me because that's my friend. So right here, and you can see, I'm like, she's just like, let's just get this in and let's get this done. And she's just going through it. So I actually don't want to focus too much on talking about what she's doing in the video because you can really see it. But I did want to kind of chat with you guys about going back to like sew-ins and using clip-ins rather than wigs. I know I can't be the only one that is tired of spending $150 plus on a wig install that lasts 2 business days. And I know I'm exaggerating. It lasts like 2 weeks. But still, that's really not that long for a $150 hairstyle. They're charging more than the girls that do nails. And it's really not lasting that long. So me personally, for 2024, I know I didn't mention this in like my goals or whatever, but I'm trying to stop getting my hair done as much and like going to people because I really do know how to do the wigs myself and do my hair myself, but I'm just like busy with school and like my doctorate program. But yeah, I think we just need to get back to doing sew-ins because the wigs are taking me out. Like, I just cannot. Thank God I still have my edges intact, but everybody is not so lucky. Okay? I think we just need to get back to having that leave out. I know that leave outs were fried a little bit from and having a little bit of heat damage, but I feel like that look is better because when those wigs get old and crusty and start lifting up, it's a mess. It really looks a mess. And then you have to figure out different ways to wear your hair so the lifting part of the wig is not showing, or trying to glue it down, just figuring it out. So I'm kind of glad to see the girlies getting back into traditional sew-ins and using clip-ins because I think it's a much better method. And like a couple of years ago, I had cut off mostly, like my hair was so short. I cut it so short, like a big chop to go natural. And so of course the wigs were like holy grail for me. But now that my hair has grown out and everything, I think I'm just over that stage of my life. And if you are, you know, like me, and you're kind of over the wearing these wigs, comment below and let me know if you have the same thoughts that I do. In addition to doing my like hair more often, instead of going to these hairstylists, I've also been doing press-ons, and oh my gosh, y'all, it's so good. They last like 2 weeks. It could last a month, but truthfully, I can be a little like with the career I have with fashion design and stuff like that, they can definitely get messed up with some of the stuff I have to do. But definitely 2 weeks with me doing any and everything. So I've been trying to be more on a maintenance tip with y'all, like just doing my own maintenance, because it is expensive out here. It truly is. And as a young homeowner, what matters to me most is making sure my bills is paid and everything like that. So if that means doing my own hair sometimes, doing press-ons, or you know, like whatever I gotta do, that's what I'm gonna do. So if you want to see more videos of me doing some different hairstyles, like sometimes I do braids, wigs, I'm gonna start doing the clip-ins more, and I also even do styles like with my natural hair. I like to just do a nice real slick bun, and I definitely have 4C hair, so that's not a thing. But I am glad that I discovered these clip-ins as another hairstyle that I can do that is pretty quick. Even though this video itself was about 30 minutes, I would say with prep and everything, like if you have to prep your own hair, like straightening it and stuff like that, I'm gonna say this whole thing could take about an hour. And if you're gonna spend time like styling it and everything like that, it could take like an hour and a half or 2 hours. It just depends on what style you're gonna do. But for the most part, I truly enjoyed these clip-ins, and I kept it for about 2 weeks. You know, you just want to make sure you keep up with your real hair in between more so than the clip-ins, because the clip-ins are straight, like they're gonna be good, you know, a little flatten or whatever. But especially when you're natural, you just want to make sure you're probably doing this when you're when you have a blowout or you are getting a silk press, because either one, like, it's just gonna be better and more seamless if you do it that way. So I think that's really it. That's all I wanted to say. I know I usually don't come on here and like talk during my videos or whatnot, so I just wanted to do something different for y'all and have a little girl chat. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this hair, or you know, anything else about applying the clip-ins. So yeah, that's all it. Thank you guys for all your support, and I'll let you enjoy the video. Okay, so this is how it looked after she finished putting in all the pieces that she felt needed to go in there, and this is me just combing it out and being like, okay, it's cute, it's cute. And it is for a quick little 2-week hairstyle. I absolutely love it. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for all your support. Thank you for watching, liking, and commenting. And I am going to add a picture at the end of this video to show you guys what it looked like. And it is a picture from a video that I took.